How to write it? It is written like, let me explain, read it out and then we'll explain it. It is written like a cursive W beginning from the right on the top line, followed by a large circle U written below it. Okay, let me explain that to you. Okay, so it is like this. Okay, beginning from the top, so we have to be above the line, start from the top, and from the right we have to start from the right. While writing W we start from left, but with Arabic we have to start from the right, and followed by a large U cycle, as if this is like U, and it is below the line. Okay, other states, other forms, if it's written, if it is written in the beginning of a word, then it looks like this. Okay, so that in that form it stays on the line. If it is in the middle, that is again stays on the line. If it is in the at the end, then you have to write it like this. Okay, let me connect these as well. Can we connect it? Yes, connect that one here. Okay, let me write it as a connecting word. Okay, so that's the beginning part, middle part, end part. Okay.